In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in FigJam. To get started, open your FigJam board. If you don't already have one ready, you can simply create a new board first. Templates work as a starting point, so this is a great option when you want to save time, organize ideas faster, or use a layout that's already designed for brainstorming, planning, meetings, or workshops. Once your board is open, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. There you'll find the templates icon. It looks like a small grid. Go ahead and click it. This will open the templates window where you can browse through the different templates options available in FigJam. Take a moment to look through the collection and choose the one that best matches what you want to do. Some templates are designed for teamwork, while others are better for mapping ideas, collecting feedback, or structuring a project. When you find a template you want to use, hover over it and click Add Template, then give it a moment to load. After a short wait, the template will be placed directly onto your board. Once the template has been added, you can edit it just like a normal FigJam board. That means you're free to customize it to fit your needs. You can add text by clicking into the text areas and typing, or by inserting your own text where needed. If the template includes sticky notes or other objects, you can move them around by selecting them and dragging them into place. If something feels too large or too small, select the object and use the resize handles that appear around it. This makes it easy to adjust the layout and create more space where you need it. You can also add shapes or connectors if you want to expand the template, link ideas together, or make the board easier to understand visually. If there are sections you don't need, just select those items and press delete to remove them. That way you can simplify the template and keep only the parts that are useful for your project. And if you want to work with others, click the share button in the top right corner to invite collaborators to the board so everyone can contribute together. That's all there is to it. Using templates in FigJam is a simple way to get started faster and build a board that's already organized from the beginning. Once you've added one, just edit, move, resize, and personalize it until it works for you.